Weather radar is one of the most important systems in an aircraft. It helps the flight crew detect weather conditions such as rain, storms, turbulence, and severe clouds ahead of the aircraft. In this video, we will see a basic overview of how an aircraft weather radar unit is replaced. First, the aircraft must be made safe for maintenance. The technician confirms that electrical power is isolated as per the approved aircraft maintenance manual. Next, access is open to the weather radar area, usually located in the nose section of the aircraft behind the radome. The radome is carefully opened or removed, depending on the aircraft type, to gain access to the radar antenna and radar components. Before removing the unit, the technician checks for any damage, corrosion, loose connectors, or signs of water ingress. Then, all electrical connectors are identified and disconnected carefully. The mounting bolts are removed, and the defective weather radar unit is taken out. The replacement unit is inspected before installation. The part number, serial number, and serviceability documents are verified to ensure it is the correct component. The new weather radar unit is installed in position, mounting bolts are secured to the required torque, and all connectors are reconnected properly. After installation, the area is inspected again to confirm there are no loose tools, foreign objects, or damaged wiring. The radome is then closed and secured as per the aircraft maintenance manual. Finally, power is restored, and an operational test is carried out from the cockpit or maintenance panel. The technician checks that the radar display and system functions are working correctly. Once the test is successful, the task is signed off by authorized maintenance personnel. Weather radar replacement may look simple, but it requires accuracy, safety, and strict compliance with approved maintenance procedures.